Hi there, Bob Gager from Adobe here with a quick tutorial on how to add a watermark to your photo using Photoshop Elements. The first thing you need to do is actually create the watermark that you want to add to your photo. So we're going to go up top, all the way up to the File menu and do File, New, Blank File. In the New File dialog, there's a couple things that we want to do. First thing, let's just give our new file a name. I'm going to call it My Watermark. And then set its size. A good size is maybe 500 pixels wide by 100 pixels tall. Leave our resolution at 72 pixels per inch. And very importantly, this bottom setting, background contents transparent. Make sure it's not set to white or background color, but make sure it's set to transparent. Once that's all set up, go ahead and click OK. Photoshop Elements will create a new file where we can add what we want in our watermark. So I'm going to make a simple one. I'm just going to use some text. I'll click on my text tool over here on the left, come over and click where I want my text, and then type whatever I want. So maybe I want the copyright symbol and my name, something like that. Type in my text. Go ahead and click this green check mark right here to accept the text that I've entered. And then I can move it wherever I want. So I might want it a little bigger. So we'll just drag the corner out and scale it up a little bit, maybe even a little more, something like that. Again, click the green check mark. Now I can have text, I can pick colors for my text, I can do all kinds of creative things in my watermark. I can even put other images in there. I just happen to have open a image about Ask Bob. So I can open up my photo bin. I can just go ahead and drag and drop that image onto my watermark file, place it where I want it. I'm going to push this over to the right. And maybe now that I see I've got some extra room, I even want to reposition and resize my text a little bit to get things looking good. So you can get as creative with your watermark as you want. You're not limited to text or just a single photo. Just go ahead and create what's appropriate for your watermark. Once you've got your watermark file, you can save it, of course, so you can use it later, but getting it on your photo, I'll just come over here to my surfboard photo, just drag and drop your watermark file onto the file that you'd like to put it on, grab one of the corners and drag out to resize your watermark. When you get it about the size you want, go ahead and click the green check mark, move it wherever you want it. I will put my watermark down here in the bottom right corner. And as simple as that, I've created a brand new watermark file that I could use on as many images as I want. And with a simple drag and drop, I've placed it on this image. There you go, a quick tip on how to create watermarks using Photoshop Elements.